Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the Meant to Be bundle from the New Occasions catalog. Remember, it went live yesterday and celebrations started also. This is the Valentine's Day card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our picture. And I'm using the Be Mine stitched framelits, and we're going to be using this heart, and that's on Whisper White. And then we're also going to be using these small hearts, and that is on the rose glimmer paper. And on the rose glimmer paper, I have a adhesive sheet on the back of that. So I'm just going to make my sandwich. All right, and then we'll just poke these little guys through. I think I'm going to save them because they have adhesive on the back. So the new catalog went live yesterday, and thank y'all so much for y'all's orders. Remember, if your order is over $100, so you might as well join my team. All right, we will put this card together. The card base is Whisper White thick, and it is 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And I have a piece of Flirty Flamingo, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Put this down with some snail. All right, and then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this measures 3 3/4 by 5. This card has multiple layers. All right. And then I have the All My Love Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3.5 by 4 3/4. And I'll just put that down like that. All right, now I'm going to pull the backing off of this. I'm going to put that here in the middle, just like that. And then for our stamping, we're going to do it on our heart. And I have the Flirty Flamingo ink pad. And then we're using the Happy Valentine's Day from the Meant to Be. And this is a bundle, so if you buy them together, you will save 10%. I have this mounted on Clear Block B. So just like that. pan and pull it, pop it up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. So just like that, and I think I'm going to take a couple of these hearts. All right, just like that. So there you have it, a quick and simple Valentine's Day card. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all your orders. Have a great day. Bye.